In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to download Zoom on MacBook. So let's get started. So just go ahead to any browser of your choice and search up download Zoom on MacBook. Then just open the first link. And now if you scroll down here, you're gonna see two options: download for Apple Silicon or download for Intel. Now if I go here and click on the Apple logo and click on about this Mac, I can see that my graphics is Intel Iris. So that means that I need the Intel one, okay? So I can just go ahead and click download for Intel. Let's do that. Then wait for it to download. There you go. So I'm just gonna now open it up. I'm gonna click on continue, install. I'm gonna put in my password. Let's give it all the access it wants. And now you're gonna wait for the installation to happen. So I'll show you guys when it's done. Alright, so the installation is finally done. And then this is the screen you should see. You can just go ahead and click on close. And you can also move the installer file to the bin, because obviously you don't need it anymore because you've already downloaded Zoom. So I'm just gonna move it to bin. And I can obviously empty the bin. Perfect. Now I can just open Zoom. Just gonna wait for it to open. And there you go. Now obviously you can just go ahead and sign in to whatever account you want and you're good to go. And you can also move the app in dock. So options, keep in dock, and it's gonna go right there. So yeah, that's how simple it is to download Zoom on Mac. And I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.